Hey everybody, welcome into this new video AI Express. Let's take a look at how we can withdraw your money from Wise directly into your bank account. That's actually one way of how we can do this. But I'm going to show you the first step you're going to want to do before we continue is to add an actual, let's say, your bank account or your new account number in order to receive the money directly from actual Wise. And to do that, you want to go into the actual right pod. We have your actual account and focused into settings. Inside the settings section, you can all see that I have my connection verified. And I wanted to focus down in here into connected account. So what I need to do is to hit into connect your bank account in order to just receive the money. In my case, what I want to do is to select the country in which your bank account is located. We can only support 3 each other listed below. Just in case this one is not enabled into your country, I'm going to be showing you the next step, how we can do, but if this one is enabled for you into the United States, Canada, just choose that option. Import your verification with just a few steps to that, hitting to continue, and you're now successfully done. In my case, and what I want to do is to hit into Add Receiptment, and here I want to choose myself because I wanted to receive the money directly myself into my actual bank account. So really important that once you choose that, I wanted to go into currency and choose the element or the actual in this case, the currency I want to receive into my actual bank account. Let's say, for example, that I receive euros, I receive British pounds, or I received Australian dollar, but my bank account is working with another currency. In my case, it would be Mexican, and then it's going to be asking me for my full legal name of the account holder as it appears into my bank T2S. Choose in this case the clave as it appears into this Mexican peso currency. And lastly, this element.